Howdy folks, Todd here with Great Escape Farms. I'm going to show you a permaculture swale fail here in just 1 minute, but let me just give you a rundown. We've been getting rain for 3 days. Water's coming from the hill here, coming down. Hopefully you can see it here. It's just rushing in from coming down the hill here. Our rainwater system is doing fine. It's collecting water with, what is that? That's probably about 1,000 in each of these, so about 2,000 gallons in the last couple of days. Here is where I am failing. This is one of my main pathways to get out to the nursery here, and I step here and I've packed it down. So fortunately it's packed down, so I'm not getting a big wash away, but this is not where I want the spillway and where I want the water going over. So I need to build this back up. That's my own fault for packing it down and not building it up, but the swale is completely full here all the way across. You see water coming out here. This is a drainage from up in another area up here in the front part of the garage. Let me come on across here. You see we're coming across. I have another spot here which sometimes I cross, and I think I packed that down as well, so I need to just build it up a little. And let me see if I can maneuver my way across my nursery winter storage here. So we're going across. I have two 4-inch pipes here going across my pathway here into this swale up here, and it's a little bit clogged up. Need to clean it up, and for the most part I'm good on the top all the way across here up to the spillway. It's just the two spots back behind me where I have a little bit of low spot. And I come up here, I have another pathway up ahead. Again, I have two 4-inch pipes right here going underneath of this pathway, connecting in right here, and then water is flowing down. And I have a landscape fabric here. I had vines here last year that I laid on top, so that way I didn't have to worry about weed whacking, and worked out quite well. Kind of skews the depth back there. Here we are here. I have another area right here. And again, the chickens are in here. We tossed some extra food. You can see I have some weeds back there I've been tossing to them. And I've been stepping in here, packing this down, unfortunately. So that's a little bit lower. Same with this right here. And here's my spillway up here. So my spillway actually is dumping right now. I have some weeds and stuff in here, which I do grow just to keep it up, but I'm high right here. So I just need to level this off and then replant into it and pack it down, because this is where I want the water flowing to go into my pond there. My pond has a mechanism to gracefully let water exit without any erosion there. The swale continues up to the property line here, and the future project is to go under that fence and extend out, and at that point we'll catch all the water from the road itself. So right now we have a 3-day rain, which is kind of unusual for us, but during a thunderstorm I can fill this up and without too much overflow, and that way I keep a thunderstorm, real fast rain on the property and let it do what it's supposed to, which is stop it on the property, let it sink in, absorb, and hydrate the landscape. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day.